In New Orleans, homes aren't just places to live, they're long-term investments shaped by climate, culture, and lifestyle. If you're looking for a smart way to boost your home's value without a full renovation, installing new patio doors can make a surprisingly big impact. From improving energy efficiency to enhancing curb appeal and indoor-outdoor living, patio doors are one upgrade that buyers notice right away. Strong first impressions matter in a competitive housing market like New Orleans. First impressions play a major role in perceived value. Old, warped, or outdated patio doors can make a home feel neglected, even if the rest of the property is well maintained. New patio doors, on the other hand, immediately signal quality and care. Modern sliding glass doors or elegant French patio doors add visual appeal from both inside and outside the home. Clean lines, larger glass panels, and updated finishes help spaces feel brighter and more open, features that buyers consistently look for. A home that feels light, airy, and well connected to outdoor areas tends to stand out and command higher offers. Energy efficiency appeals to buyers. New Orleans homeowners know how important energy efficiency is, especially during long, hot summers and humid seasons. Older patio doors often allow air leaks, heat transfer, and moisture intrusion, driving up cooling costs and reducing comfort. Upgrading to energy-efficient patio doors with insulated glass, tight seals, and modern frames helps regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills. Buyers appreciate knowing they won't be inheriting high utility costs, and many are willing to pay more for homes that offer long-term savings. Energy-efficient improvements often translate directly into increased resale value. Better indoor-outdoor living. Outdoor living is a big part of the New Orleans lifestyle. From backyard gatherings to quiet evenings on a patio, homeowners value seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. New patio doors enhance that connection by offering wider openings, smoother operation, and better views. Large glass panels bring in natural light and showcase patios, courtyards, or gardens, turning outdoor spaces into extensions of the home. Buyers often perceive homes with strong indoor-outdoor flow as more functional and enjoyable, which adds to overall property appeal and value. Improved security and peace of mind. Security upgrades also factor into home value. Many older patio doors have outdated locks or weak frames that can concern potential buyers. New patio doors come with advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass options designed to withstand storms and deter intruders. In a city like New Orleans, where weather resilience matters, patio doors built to handle high winds and heavy rain are especially attractive. Buyers feel more confident investing in a home that's already equipped to handle local conditions. Low-maintenance materials add long-term value. Modern patio doors are built with durability in mind. Vinyl, aluminum, and composite frames resist moisture, warping, and corrosion, common issues in humid climates. Low-maintenance materials mean fewer repairs and less upkeep for future homeowners, which adds to perceived value. When buyers know they won't need to replace doors again anytime soon, they see the upgrade as a worthwhile investment rather than a future expense. A smart upgrade with real returns. While some renovations offer limited return on investment, new patio doors strike a balance between cost and impact. They enhance appearance, comfort, efficiency, and functionality, all factors that influence home value in New Orleans. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply investing in your home's future, upgrading your patio doors is a practical improvement that delivers everyday enjoyment now and increased resale value later.